You ever wonder how come some compact tractors last so long while others only make it a few thousand hours? The answer is not luck. Compact tractors can last a long time. But what makes them last? Factors include the quality of the tractor, how well it's maintained, and where and how it's used. A good compact tractor from a reputable brand can make it between 4,000 and 6,000 hours. Knowing how to keep a compact tractor running smoothly can save you a lot of time and money. It will break down less, need fewer repairs and replacements, be safer, and work more efficiently. The more you can take care of your tractor, the longer it will last and the more reliable it will be. But what's the secret to reaching those top hours? First, let's talk about quality. The better tractors from the better brands are made of better materials and are just plain made better. They are, therefore, made to last longer. On the other hand, a cheap, low-quality tractor may save you money up front, but it will break down more often and need more repairs. It can actually pay to buy a better tractor. Fewer breakdowns mean more time working and less time down for repairs. This means less money spent on repairs and maintenance. You end up with a tractor that will do real work day in and day out. But of course, even the best tractor needs maintenance. Proper maintenance is critical to the longevity of your tractor. This includes changing the oil, replacing filters, lubing parts, checking for wear, and following the manufacturer's service schedule. Neglecting to maintain a tractor can cost you a lot of money. Simple maintenance procedures can prevent big problems. Regular checkups will also keep your tractor operating efficiently. What about where you use your tractor and how you use it? The conditions in which you use your tractor have a big effect on how long it lasts. Hard work and bad weather are rough on a tractor. On the other hand, moderate conditions are easy on the tractor, and it can last a lot longer. Knowing this makes it easier to plan. It is important to stay within the limits of the tractor. If you do, the tractor will last longer and be more reliable. But also important is how you drive it. How you operate your tractor has a lot to do with how long it lasts. For example, you shouldn't be running the tractor at full throttle all the time or pulling a load that is too heavy. Gentle operation of the machine is a very good idea. Operating a tractor gently and carefully can add thousands of hours to its useful life. If you treat your tractor well, you can save a lot of money on repairs. Your tractor will operate more efficiently and it will be more reliable. And you will probably get a lot more work done. And what about when the tractor is not being used? How you store your tractor when you are not using it is just as important as the other factors. If you keep your tractor clean, dry and out of the weather, it will look and operate better for a longer time. Taking good care of your tractor when you are not using it saves your investment. If you don't keep your tractor in a good environment, it will deteriorate. This means it won't be as safe. It also means it won't last as long, and it won't operate as efficiently. Remember, a compact tractor can last between 4,000 to 6,000 hours with proper care. Just follow these tips. Buy a good brand, maintain it well, use it mindfully, and store it properly, and you will get top hours from your machine. Happy farming!